How to buy RedNote Xiaohongshu token. So I guess this token is Chinese. So this token came under the symbol of RedNote. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Now, copy the token address from here is under the Solar network. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you will be received of that token. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click here to select the provider, for example, Jupiter. But make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you'll be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. After that, go to the provider that you selected to that page and go and buy this token. You will not face any issue after that. So this is how to buy RedNote token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.